In this video, you'll learn about how to prepare for the next big earthquake, what is crawl space seismic retrofitting, how much it costs, and if it's the right solution for your problem. Living in California, one of the biggest fears are earthquakes. We have all seen the devastating damage that earthquakes do to people's lives and their homes. But we have a way to keep your raised foundation safe from the next big earthquake. This video will teach you about seismic retrofitting. Big Joe Turner once said, "Shake, rattle, and roll." And that's the last thing you want to happen to California. The people that know it the most are in towering buildings or raised foundation homes. No one really likes earthquakes and they cause so much damage. Seismic retrofitting is here to make sure your raised foundation doesn't shake, rattle, and roll off of your foundation. Many of the raised foundations in California and Arizona are not properly retrofitted, properly securing your home structure to the home's foundation. This can be completed in one of two ways. One way is to simply drill through the home sill plate and into the home's foundation, then installing a proper anchor bolt into the hole and tightening that bolt down. This step is repeated around the entire home. But the second way is one that we run into a lot because of the limited headroom within these crawl spaces. This method utilizes an approved bracket such as Simpson's UFRP plate, and this bracket connects to the side of the home sill plate and then anchored into the home's foundation. Both methods work well though, and the height of your crawl space will be the determining factor on which method is utilized. Making sure all of the posts and pads under your home are secured and strapped will ensure that your posts don't slide out of place when an earthquake shakes the ground below your home. Seismic retrofitting is for anyone who wants to have a stable and secure foundation, especially if your home is in an earthquake-known area. If you are in a home that's not on a raised foundation, your home will not need seismic retrofitting. But if you do notice foundation issues, push piers, helical piers, and polyurethane injections will fix your foundation issues and protect your home from any future damages. If you do live in an earthquake-prone area and have a raised foundation, it is best to get your home safely secured before the next big earthquake. Why wait and risk you, your home, and anyone in it getting hurt if an earthquake knocks it off its foundation? We want to help create a safe and secure home for you. The cost of seismic retrofitting is very broad due to the fact that not all houses are the same, and there are several different things that can be retrofitted from within the crawl space. Most foundation home retrofitting projects are around the $3,500 to $5,000 range, but when doing a full foundation retrofitting project on a home, we've seen projects go upwards of $30,000. If you feel like you need a repair, contact us. A free inspection is always available, and after the inspection is complete, you'll receive an accurate quote from your foundation repair specialist. Now, this is a very broad range with several different options, so if you're interested, please check out our free inspections. To get a free inspection, just click the Get Started link at the top right of our homepage. After you do that, you'll be placed with one of our project design specialists within 48 business hours. From there, they'll set up a day and a time to do a free inspection on your property. Now that you know about crawl space seismic retrofitting, please, if you have any questions or concerns, you can contact us. Remember, never settle for you and your home safety.